Oh, there's another one. Hold it.
Bro, that was a big brown, giant brown trout just come and chase that. Oh, I'm peeking out. Oh, that's hectic. Oh, look at that one right there, dude. Right there. Literally sitting right there. Yeah, doggy! You're kidding me. Oh, bro. There they are. You'll never hit him in here. There it is. What is going on, my doggies? Welcome back to another video. We're still here, we're still in New Zealand. We just went out for an early morning puka fish and we've got a couple in here. Have a go at this. There's a couple of fish there, there's a couple of fish in the boat. But dude, we're in New Zealand, we're doing something a little bit different. This morning, we went out and slayed a couple of thieves. We're fishing 300 to 400 meters of water. What we're doing is we're taking the saltwater fishing stuff out of this incredible boat. We're gonna put freshwater shit in. We're going fly fishing, fishing on a lake. We're gonna go chase trout, camping. We're taking me boat on an adventure and dude, stick around because this one is gonna be amazing. Mate, we can feed half the island, eh? We killed it today. All right, we're going camping on a massive lake. We're taking the new boat. It's gonna be one hell of an episode. We're gonna get super naughty in this one as well, so sit back and relax. We've got some big things planned.
Oh, so slimy.
Yeah. Putting the big dogs away. We're gonna get the noodle rod out. The noodle rod's gonna come out to play. We had a hell of a session this morning on the puka, but the big rods are going away. Like I said, we're going to a freshwater lake, pretty far away. Camping up there. This episode's gonna be a banger. We're getting the noodle rod out, we're getting the fly rod out. We're chasing trout, and it's meant to be in one of the most picturesque places ever. So, big rod's going away. The noodle rod is coming out to play. Oh, dude. We're dropping down to a couple of fly rods. We've got a lovely little 5-weight fly rod here. Still got a fly on it from the last mission the boys did, but this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be flogging fly rods, and I'm frothing for it. The only problem is they wind left-handed. It's fucking weird. Let's go to the lake. Let's go and bust a couple of trout, start a fire, maybe even shoot a deer. Who knows? But we're going, and I'm frothing for it. It's 11:30 in the morning, getting on the ginger beers, boys. One big boy. Oh, I could take both. And if there's one reason I would move to New Zealand, it's because you can suppress a rifle, bro.
Yeah.
I'd just come here for that.
Yeah.
Alright, we're not only taking fly rods and the noodle rod, we're chucking in a couple of rifles. We're going to take some rifles up to the lake and you never know what's going to happen. I'm frothing for this, eh?
Yeah.
It's going to be killer.
We're in. I think I'll just take that one.
Yeah.
Then we can shoot them from a long range.
Right. So sick. we made it. Should have brought a kite because it's blowing its absolute ass out. It's freezing cold. We're gonna go and have a look. I haven't even seen it yet. This guy's just literally throwing the camera in my face. So we're gonna go and check out the room. Let's have a look. True. This joint. This is alright, eh? Little beer fridge. This is gonna do, eh? Couple of bunks, couple of boys. We're sleeping in here. Oh, let's get our shit sorted and drop the boat in, eh?
Look at that wind out there.
And it is, it's like, not shit, like 30 knots out there. Look at the views. 30 knots. We're going fishing anyway. We're going fishing, eh?
Really.
We're just going, we're just going. I don't care. Let's go get a trout on the noodle rod. That's the deal. Time check. 3:27 in the afternoon, so we don't have much time. Sunset's around 6 o'clock. We're gonna get our shit sorted, put the boat in, bend the noodle rod, fishing 30 knot wind, fresh water banging. She's blowing her tits off out here, but we're on. We didn't mess around. We've been here for about 3 minutes. We're already in the boat. We're going fishing. Here we go. The legendary noodle rod has made its way to New Zealand. We're gonna see if we can bang a big trout on it. It's gonna be throwing this little soft plastic for now. We're gonna be working the edge of this big river bank, just bouncing a plastic around. It's pretty windy, but we're gonna get it done. And it's freezing. Right, let's go. Couple of steinies for the boys. There you go, Chief.
Legend.
There you go, bro.
Ooh.
Alright. These are the this is what's been given us a headache here in New Zealand. Bro, the biggest brown. The giant brown trout just come and chase that. Oh, I'm peeking out. Bro, that was a big brown. Been here for like 5 minutes. Literally came right up to the back of the boat here, man. Dude, that would actually pull string. That was big.
Is that a donkey?
Yeah, dude, it was solid. Holy shit. Wow. That was gnarly.
First cast, mate.
First cast, bro, on the noodle. Look at it.
Yeah, doggy! You're kidding me!
Oh, bro.
It's a nice one, are you kidding, dude? That's sick! Well, we've literally just pulled the boat up on a bank. I'm tying on new leader on my noodle rod. Angus has just put a first cast on his noodle and he's just banged a trout. Look at this thing, dude!
It's a nice fish.
Oh, the OG too!
Yeah, bro. Oh, he's a nice fish, bro.
And I'm halfway through tying a FG. I'm gonna bloody... Oh, that's hectic!
We might have dinner, bro.
We're in paradise.
Yeah, look at him. Look at him. Grab that net, bro.
Oh my god.
That's making me moister!
Big rainbow, eh? Is it?
Yeah, dude, that's a hell rainbow.
Right.
Oh my gosh! Look at this thing!
Look how beauty that is, brother.
Dude!
That is a beautiful looking fish.
That is a psycho fish. Oh, you've just pinned him in the top of the noggin, look at that.
Oh,
He's hungry, bro.
the beak on him.
He's a jack.
That is hectic. Bro. That is, wait, that's out the gate.
Yeah. That is mean.
That's legit. Wow.
Straight out the back, bro. Straight right.
We literally just pulled up, engine roaring, turned the engine off and he caught a fish right there. I thought he would have spooked. Oh, that's hectic. Hold it up, bro.
Brother.
That's a beauty.
That's incredible, dude. Look at that thing.
Wow.
Mouth on him, bro.
Cool.
That's a solid mouth. They got held teeth, eh?
Yeah, and they've got see, feel its tongue? They've got little f***ing hooks on their tongue.
Oh, they do too, man.
Yeah. It's a proper New Zealand wild trout, not released or anything. You can tell because none of the fins are cut. The released ones, they cut the fins.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's a wild NZ trout.
Wild NZ trout.
That's off its head. We've literally just got here. Doggy! Wait, we need to interrupt this video very quickly. We've just launched a whole heap of new merch over on the online shop. This is one of the ones I'm wearing here. This is one of my favorites. Look at this bad boy, the Yeah Doggy FDYST. We've got a whole heap of merch over on the online shop right now. We've got hoodies, we've got long sleeves, and we've got a couple of new t-shirts over there. Not only that, we've just restocked all of our coffee. So we've got the coffee back on there, the t-shirts, and look, if you guys want to grab it, fieldayshop.com, jump over there. I hope you guys are enjoying this New Zealand episode. I had a heap of fun filming this video. All right, let's get back in. Remember, fieldayshop.com if you guys want to check out your merch. All right, much love. Let's get back to New Zealand. So. Alright, we're going to park the boat up here. We're going to walk along this bank. Angus literally just banged a trout like right on the back of the boat. We rocked up, we're yelling, screaming, engines running. Still bangs a trout on the head. We're going to walk up this bank here slowly, quietly, and just see if we can't see any sight cast them. That is incredible, bro. Big natural rainbow from NZ. We've only been here for like, what, 15, 20 minutes now. We're creeping up here. It's going to be sick. Right, before we go anywhere, just look at this thing of beauty. That looks delicious. It? Just on the side of the bank there.
Okay.
Oh, that's the one. Huh?
Spooked him. Right, this place is incredible, hey? Can you see him? Right, we're just standing on the top of this cliff here. There's 3 trout. We're just swimming along the bank. They come into the deep water. I ran down to try to get in front of them, but we had no luck. It's blowing its absolute ass off here. It's like a wind tunnel coming through. So we're going to make our way back to the boat, and then from there we're going to fish back along, and as that sun sets we're going to do something pretty epic. So bro, this is amazing. It's the best. deer up there.
We have a look through the scope.
Sun has just gone down. It's still twilight. It's still kind of bright out here, but we're scoping up along the edge of this big bank. There's a deer up there. That's why we bought the rifle. The rifle you seen this morning with the suppressor that I was freaking out about. I was so excited. There's a big deer up here on the bank.
Let's have a look to see if you can see it.
You put that torch on him, but.
Ready?
Yeah. There's two up there.
You see them?
Yeah.
Too hard to take a shot, eh?
Bro, you'd have to be a marksman with the boat rocking, but there's three.
Three?
Yeah. There's no way you take the shot with the boat rocking.
You want to let off a shot anyway, just to have a shot?
Yeah, just to scare him. There they are. You'll never hit him in here! Bro, it's like 25 knots blowing my ass. I didn't even move, dude.
Nah. Nah.
That would be amazing. Blowing like 25 knots, the boat's doing this. We ain't hitting them deer up there. That's epic.
Quiet, eh?
Yeah, that was proper.
Ready, bro?
Boy. Alright, we just had a crack at a deer up on a mountain. There was no way I was going to hit it. We're rocking around like this. But what we're doing is we've got two noodle rods out the back. We're trolling. We're living the dream. We're here in NZ, actually living the dream. It's cold, but it's also killer. Yeah, doggy, doggy, doggy! Oh my god, we've come back into on the dry land. It is blowing its absolute titties off out there. It's like not even jokes, like 30 knots. We trolled some lures back to the boat ramp, put the boat on the trailer. Now we're going to cook a hell feed. We're going to cook that that trout we caught tomorrow morning. But right now, come and have a look at what the big dog's doing. What's on the menu, mate?
Bro, should tomatoes be that green on the inside?
Yeah.
Bro, that looks awfully green and it tastes like fish.
It doesn't matter, it's just not ready yet. It's pretty green, eh?
Where's our date on
But tomatoes don't go off, bro. It tastes fine. Anyway, we're having burgers. We're going to cook up some burgers in this kitchen that they provide here. Have a couple of beers and then see where the night takes us. There you go. Even the mince over here is good. Look at the colour of that mince there. Making a couple of burger patties. We're going to save that trout for tomorrow. Cook him up, lad. This is gonna be mad. This is gonna be incredible.
Look at that. Green tomatoes.
Green as they come, those ones.
Look at that.
Oh. Oh yeah, she's dripping, she's gushing. We got a gusher. Ready for this shit? Holy shit. Look at that then. Wow, bro. Alright, put the camera down, bros. Let's have a mad feed. That's off the Richter. Good morning, my doggies. Oi, we're caught up. What have I got? Well, that's not the last thing I'm gonna catch today, I'll tell you that much. Oh, we're out early. The sun just come up. Actually, sun's not even up yet. And we're into it. It's windy, it's cold. We've already slayed a couple of coffees. Where's the lure at? Here we go. We're going fishing. Same as yesterday, windy, cold, cloudy. It's actually raining today. We're gonna get into it. We're gonna rip a couple.
Look at that trout. Did you see that one? The biggest brown dude. Biggest brown trout that's come chase me lure.
That was epic, dude. We just walked along this bank here, had a big brown trout come in. As soon as it came up behind my lure, I actually picked up weed and it spooked the fish, but we had a big brown come up behind it. We're heading back to the boat now. If you look at the ground, it is just covered in deer prints. There must be a heap of deer around here. There's hundreds of deer prints here. There's a little wallow here where they must be playing up in the mud. This is amazing, bro. That was a big brown that come and turned on that lure. We're gonna jump back in the boat. We're gonna start piffing along a deep water edge, see how we go, but dude, this is one way to start a day.
You know what I reckon, bro?
Hey?
You know what I reckon? Fly rod streamers around in here. It just looks too good. Off the front of the boat.
Let's do it. I'm keen on a fly mission. I'll do it off the back here, dude. On the front. Oh my god, look at this. This is gonna be naughty. This is actually gonna be naughty.
proper bit big. Nice.
Oh, you're right on his head. Oh, he's big.
Bro, this is so gnarly. We're on this tiny, tiny little creek. There's a big rainbow trout sitting up here on the bank. We're trying to stalk him. He's super, super flightish. He come and had a crack at the fly, but he didn't actually eat it. He just come in and like stiffed it.
That could potentially be a go next time too.
Yeah.
On the next range maybe.
Yeah. Right, let's go see if we can put a fly in front of one of these fish. This is so sick, dude. They're good trout too, eh?
Really good size, and they look fat.
That one that come and bumped that fly was like a pig, man. He come in full noise and just turned off. Boom. Not easy. That's why it's so rewarding when you bang a trout on a fly rod. We'll get him. Fucking tripping over like a fucking old man in the bush. Let's get the f out of here. Big trout on the deck. Seen a couple. Oh, look at that one right there, dude. Right there. It's literally sitting right there. Look at it. Can you see it? Oh, yeah. Oh, pull up. He's still there, right? It is windy and we're cooking a feed. What we're doing right now, we've got a little bit of a windbreak going on. We've just built like a super basic little shelter for the wind. On the other side, we've got a fire cranking. It's just gone 10 o'clock in the morning. We're gonna cook some breakfast up here in the bank. Magic bottom. We've seen some good fish today. We haven't hooked up, but dude, check out this fire. We're gonna go cook a hell feed. Look at this windbreak. Look at that, dude. Have a go at this for breakfast. Sausages, bacon, coffees, eggs, tomatoes, cheese, sauces. We've got it all going on down here in the bush. This is actually epic. This little shelter we built is like saving us from the wind because it has not stopped blowing its ass off since we got to this lake. But dude, we're eating proper good. We've got a trout hanging up there. Dig in, boys, dig in.
It's good, bro.
Dig in, bros, make one. That's messed up, dude. Look at this thing. Oh my god.
Around, though.
Alright, we've just done the starters. We've had a couple of delicious breakfast burgers out here in paradise. Big fella's down here, he's sorting this trout out. This is going to be the main course. Look at this thing. I'm actually hanging out to eat that. That's the stuff there. It's actually how good. That's meat, bro.
You can have the other side.
Nah, bro. Double good.
Alright, the grub's up. We've got a big dirty fish head here. We've already eaten the eye out of that one. But look at this. Oh, bro. That is as good as it gets.
Looks pretty good, eh?
Dude. Oh, hot.
How good is that?
That is actually next level. That's fresh trout. Straight out of the water. Straight out of the bloody cyclone. That's good, man. Wow.
Not bad, eh?
That's legit, dude. That puts that burger to shame. Well, my doggies, that is going to be it for this episode. The wind has picked up like crazy. It's literally like white caps out there. We're going to pull a pin on this mission. We got one trout. We've seen a couple. We nearly hooked one up on the fly rod, but dude, this has been an epic adventure. Thank you so much to Angus. That was a hell of a trip, brother. And we're on the boat. We've got a couple more adventures in New Zealand coming, so stick around for them. Subscribe if you haven't yet. But I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you in the next video. Much love and thanks for watching. See you next week. Doggy, 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 doggy. The activities never end around here on the Field Day YouTube channel. We've just done something amazing. We just ended the episode and we found this little creek. We're piffing the fly rod trying to find trout, and the drone with all the footage that we have of this entire adventure, like some of the probably the best drone footage I've ever caught on YouTube in my entire career of being a deadbeat YouTuber, is now up here in the forest somewhere. So we're on a mission trying to find the drone before the battery goes flat. Look how dense the forest is. Our drone's up here somewhere and we've got to go and find it. Holy shit. There's some of the most incredible footage probably I've ever seen on that drone. We've got to get it back, dude. This is legitimately going to be like finding a needle in a haystack. We're climbing up the side of this mountain. Look at this shit. There's the boat down there. We're gonna find this drone. It's in here somewhere. This is like a proper like pitched hill like this. We're just sliding up it. We're gonna find the drone, man. Bro, you've got to be kidding me. Look at this shit. No way, dude. You're fucking kidding.
Always just saved my life, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, that is literally like the luckiest. That is the Kiwi feeling, eh? You had it. Me and Blake went up this way. And Angus just peeled off in his own direction. He's like, "I'll get it, boys," and he just pissed off that way with no drone control or nothing. And you found it. That's off its head. Holy shit! You just saved the video, dude. Holy shit! That's unbelievable. Can't believe you found that thing, man.
On. It's pretty sweet too. It's got a little bit of a broken motor and a munch of clay.
Ooh! Yeah, life in the mountains is fucking good. Look at that thing, dude. It's pretty good, hey?
It was just their motor.
Oh yeah, we've done that. Done a number on that.
But the camera's mint.
SD card.
Look at
Oh my god.
that.
Wow. We got it back.
Back in action, baby.
Fucking heavy. Get here, you fucking tasty little Oh, if I could run, I would. I got a banged up knee. I got run over by a 40-kilo boar the other night here in New Zealand. I'll get your fucking camera out of my face. Put your little bit of man meat in there, boy. Let's go, doggies! Imagine banging a trout at night.
We'll get it back.
Steaming. That's all we need. That trout's gonna be We did some fish. We didn't fish that hard, to be honest, but yeah, we actually start again, you idiot dickhead. Can't speak, bro. What am I even saying? Look at that poster, bro. Now that is a
toaster,
That is a toaster, man. That's
So use the top of this as a grill. Just lay your trout along the top.
yeah. The burger patties, man.
Oh, those are mean.
Why don't you just slide them in?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
We're definitely hanging around some of the smartest kids on the block around here, bud.
Cheers for the help, bro.
Good thing.
Hey, there's some bro. That's like rotten bluefin tuna. Look how that looks. That is fucking yuck as cheap.
Burger sauce, man.
Finishing touches, man. open that fucking out. Just open.
Oh yeah.
Fucking get it up, you cameraman. The tables have turned. Hey?
Oh,
How do you fucking like it to have a camera in your fucking face all the time, mate?
completely missed me mouth there. There's no meat on that.
I'll grow up.
Hang on. Look at that. Not bad, eh?
What do you reckon?
Boys done a good job.